Rosemary tea is a powerful beverage that could solve many health problems. For example, taking 1 cup of tea before going to bed can fight diabetes and rheumatic pains. The preparation couldn't be easier. Just add a teaspoon of dry rosemary to a cup of water, then boil the mixture, leave it to cool down, strain it, and drink the tea. Rosemary is a powerful healing herb that has been used in the past to relieve numerous problems. It can boost the function of your pancreas and improve circulation, while also disinfecting wounds and accelerating the healing process. You can inhale a rosemary solution to treat asthma or apply rosemary leaves cooked in wine topically to treat rheumatism. To heal minor wounds, apply some crushed rosemary leaves on the affected area, and to boost your memory, all you need to do is get a whiff of the herb. In the garden, you can use rosemary to protect your plants from pests. While at home, rosemary leaves put between your clothes in the wardrobe can prevent moths from destroying your favorite pieces of clothing. You can use the leaves as a disinfectant as well. Just boil some in water for 30 minutes, then use the mixture on surfaces that need cleaning. Add some dry rosemary leaves in your detergent to degrease dishes easily, or use rosemary essential oil topically to treat arthritis and rheumatic pain. According to experts, rosemary can also be used to treat anemia. To do this, add a sprig of rosemary in 200 milliliters of water, then boil the mixture and leave it to cool down for 10 minutes before straining and drinking a cup of the tea in the morning on an empty stomach. Repeat the process 5 times a day and you will cure anemia soon. The herb's health benefits don't stop there. To recover from a stroke, add a teaspoon of rosemary and fennel in a pot of water, then take a cup of the tea before going to bed. This will protect your heart and help you recover from a stroke better. Rosemary can be used as an anti-dandruff hair tonic as well. Just make some rosemary and sage tea and add it to your shampoo. Then wash your hair with the mixture regularly to stop the flaking of your scalp. Rosemary tea can strengthen your immune system and protect you from numerous diseases. If you don't like the taste, add some fennel and the taste will be much improved. Here are the main health benefits of rosemary. Boosts your memory. Refreshes the nervous system after prolonged periods of intellectual activity. Treats numerous digestive problems and improves digestion. Great against anemia and other blood disorders. Great for treating colds, the flu and bronchitis. Relieves muscle and joint pain as well as tendinitis. Great against heart problems such as arrhythmia. Relieves mental fatigue and stress. Boosts your learning ability and helps against memory loss. Great for minor injuries and burns. Treats hair loss and dandruff. Accelerates the metabolism and improves liver function. The herb is generally safe to use for all people, but people suffering from hypertension should consult with a doctor first.